We love quick-to-the-table dipping sauces that don't come out of a jar. Our homemade Cajun dipping sauce is the simple, creamy combination of mayonnaise, sour cream, lemon juice, Cajun seasoning, and minced red onion. That's it. Whisk the ingredients together in a bowl and refrigerate until you're ready to go dip crazy with your crispy fried pickles. If you've never nibbled your way through a plate of hot, extra crispy fried pickles alongside a sassy dipping sauce, you need to stop what you're doing right now and make this recipe. Fried pickles are a Southern favorite for appetizers and snacks because they combine favorite noshing flavors in one bite: salty, sour, and fried. They're sure to become a favorite from the moment you bite into a tender slice of crispy-battered dill pickle, deliciously dunked into a creamy Cajun-kissed dipping sauce. Why is our crispy fried pickles recipe the best, you ask? Because it's fast and nearly foolproof. You can have these abundantly flavorful and extra crispy snacks on your table in minutes. The best fried pickles start with a well-seasoned batter that successfully sticks to the pickles as they sizzle to crispy perfection in the hot oil. Make sure your seasonings are fresh for the most flavor. Dredge the pickles into the wet batter, allowing extra batter to drip off. Coat the battered pickles in the breadcrumbs. The flour helps the wet batter stick, and the wet batter gives the breadcrumbs something to hold on to. Your pickles are now fit to be fried. Use a deep pot and pour in about 3 inches of oil. Bring the oil to 350 degrees. This is the ideal temperature for frying. Gently lower battered pickles into the hot oil. Fry just until the batter crisps up and becomes a golden brown. Sprinkle with a little salt while they are still hot to complete the seasoning. Get your pickles and sauce to the table. It's time to eat.